So I have come across this kind of car, which I don't know what kind of brand is this. Ah, it says Buick Eight. Buick 8. Okay. It is a very cool design. It's probably a very old car. It's very big. So, trying to inquire if this is for sale, but maybe not, maybe not. So look at this rear end. It has obviously been rebuilt, because those are not old Buick headlamps. So, what do you think, Noben? Huh?
It's okay.
It's okay. Yeah, it's amazing. Very amazing. I never saw such a car. It's very dark here. I cannot see inside, but it has seats. Yeah. So the front seat is resting here in the back. So what do you think, darling?
It's nice.
Yeah, it's very unique. It's a Buick 8, something like that. But they have, you see the rear lights is not original, so they have done a lot of stuff to this. That's why when I see only the front, I said, wow, what kind of car is this? That is the handle for the hood. Buick 8. What a treasure. So there are the hinges. So you are lifting it up sideways.